a single, coordinated, island-wide program of reconstruction and resilience on the scale.
Important to you today. It's not a Thursday. Yeah. What may I say?
National rebuilding
Mad
undertaken by
people.
an
See.
independent Jamaica.
A mad thing, man. Veteran TV outside. You see it?
National destiny. The roads we build determine which communities can grow. The water systems we construct determine where families can live and businesses can invest. The schools, hospitals, ports, digital networks, and energy systems we develop.
All the mayors sit down on the stage and some big individuals, some big necktie. You see it? You know, Veteran TV outside.
The student opportunity, the worker to employment, and the entrepreneur to the world. This reconstruction effort is guided by a national vision to reduce vulnerability, to open new areas for development, to strengthen rural Jamaica, to renew our towns and cities, and to build on the strong foundation we have already laid for sustained economic growth.
Veteran TV to the world.
But renewal on this scale asks something of every one of us. It asks for respect for law and order, for protection of public property, for honest work, for fiscal discipline, and for strong families and communities that refuse to surrender their future to criminals
Veteran
and
TV.
disorder.
Important to you to the world.